Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this is our ninth lesson. Till now we have learned so far the twinkle twinkle rhyme with the both hands, just a melody. So till now we have done 4 chords and 1 rhyme. Are you sleeping? And today the chords we have learned so far, that C, F, G and A minor. On this chords we are going to play some rhythmic patterns. So I hope you must know all these chords. If you still don't know, please, my request, check my playlist and watch them step by step. Okay, so we are using here one chord progression. So what is exactly the chord progression? When we are using the chords in same sequence. So the first chord we are going to use is C, then A minor, F, G. So I'm not saying the full name: C major, A minor, F major, G major. If I'm saying C, that means mostly if I say only C, that means C major. If I'm not saying any minor or major things, so that means I'm talking about majors. Okay, so we are doing something different here. What is different? In our right hand we are going to play chords, and in our left hand we are going to play some notes. So first just look what exactly we are going to learn. We have just used only 4 chords and 4 notes. In our right hand I used 4 chords: C major, A minor, F major, G major. So our right hand position will be the C position and our left hand position will be the F position. So in this position our little finger is on F and our thumb is on C. So if you check, your all fingers should be set like this: F, G, A, B, C. Correct? You can just sit with your piano now and try to play with me. So we will start from left hand first. So 1 time left hand, 2 times right hand. So first you are supposed to play, this rhythm should come, okay, so you can play the same thing multiple times until you are not getting this rhythm. So once you are able to do with the C, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, you can try slowly. Okay, the second is we are going to press our A note and in the right hand A minor chord, the same finger, third finger. So the very first C, now change with the A, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Same thing we are going to do with the F note with the little finger, 1 time F and 2 times chord. And now we are on the G. So if I play all of them together, then A, F, G, C, A minor, F, G. This is the way we are going to close this. So this C note and C chord together. Okay, so here you need to take care of these things. Like suppose some people, what they are doing, play like this. So the sound we want, it's not like that. So what you need to do, the chords supposed to play like this, correct? But here we are going to bounce the chords. This thing, right? So, and immediately after that you need to switch. You are not supposed to take a long time. Maybe in starting you will take some time to switch the chords, like then you will press little slower A. That's perfectly okay because it's natural. When we are learning something new, it will take time. So until you are not going to play like this, means you're not perfect till now. Okay, so once you are able to do like that, that means you have done, and you can go with another rhythm. So I hope you understood this one. I want on the same chord progression, I want you to learn one more. Okay, so first practice this perfectly. You just pause the video and repeat it again and play with me. I'm going to explain one more thing here. This whole thing going to repeat at least twice. One more time. Now close it. So now I'm going to start the another one. First see how it's going to sound. I think it's very energetic. Okay, so for this rhythm we are going to use the same hand position, same chords. See, my C position right hand, F position in my left hand, and again we are going to do same thing, just the timings are changed. So 1 2, one time left, one time right, left right, left right, left right. So first C note, C chord, A note, A minor chord, F note, F major chord, G note, G major chord. So here just one time left, one time right, and then change the chord. Okay, we are going to play little slow first. Here also we are bouncing the chords. When you are keep playing it continuously, you will feel you are going to speed up slowly. So it's easy way to practice the chords, as there's some music creating by these chords and some notes. So in the right hand we are using chords here, not in the left hand. This is a different thing, because we want you to be perfect with the chords, whether it's right hand or left hand. We need to play the chords with both hands. So we already did the practice with the both hands, chord shifting. So we are going to start the rhythmic pattern for here, and then in the next video I'm going to tell you one more rhythm in the same thing. I hope you like the video. If yes, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.